The much debated Lokpal Bill was introduced in the Parliament on Thursday, sparking a burning debate both inside and outside the House on some key elements of the proposed legislation. While the opposition clamoured for the inclusion of the Prime Minister in Lokpal ambit, civil society activists burnt copies of the government's version of the anti-graft Lokpal Bill after it was introduced in Parliament.
Just before the bill was tabled, Speaker Meera Kumar gave permission to Leader of the Opposition Sushma Swaraj to express her views as a special case under Rule 72. Ms. Swaraj questioned as to why the Prime Minister has not been included under the Lokpal Bill purview. She further said, when the Prime Minister does not enjoy immunity from prosecution under the Criminal Law and Prevention of Corruption Act, why was he being kept out of the ambit of the Lokpal? Anna Hazare and his supporters burned copies of the Lokpal Bill draft that was introduced by the United Progressive Alliance government in Parliament, claiming that the anti-corruption legislation in its present form will not be able to tackle corruption. Team Anna says it will burn drafts of the bill till August 16th when Mr. Hazare has decided to launch an indefinite agitation against the bill. Anna Hazare's supporters and civil society members burnt copies of the bill in Anna's hometown, Ralegan Siddi, Maharashtra, and in Kaushambi, Ghaziabad. The Ghaziabad protests were led by Arvind Kejriwal, Prashant Bhushan and Kiran Bedi. In Goa, Anna Hazare's supporters burnt copies of the bill at Azad Maidan in Panjim, expressing their protest against the toothless Lokpal Bill and to express the unilateral, high-handed decision of the government.
प्रेजेंट किया है सरकार ने ये बिल में इस देश की जनता के लिए और खास करके इस देश के गरीब लोगों के लिए कोई भी ऐसा प्रावधान नहीं है जो आम जनता जिससे त्रस्त है, ऐसे भ्रष्टाचार को कंट्रोल करने के लिए कोई भी प्रावधान इस बिल में नहीं है। बेसिकली ये बिल जो है गरीब विरोधी बिल है, मजदूर विरोधी बिल है, किसान विरोधी बिल है और इस बिल से ये भ्रष्टाचार को सपोर्ट मिलेगा, भ्रष्टाचार एनकरेज होगा और साधारण जनता को इससे सजा मिलेगी। नहीं, ये तो सरकार ने अपना एक ड्राफ्ट बनाया है। जो उस कमेटी में जो सुझाव रखे थे अन्ना जी ने, केजरीवाल ने, जिसको आप सिविल सोसाइटी कहते हैं, वो सिविल सोसाइटी के जो 5 मेंबर थे, उन्होंने जो कुछ सुझाव रखे थे वो सुझाव को उन्होंने बिल्कुल मान्यता नहीं दी है।